Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use new Roblox Studio. To begin, download and install Roblox Studio directly from the official Roblox website. Once installed, launch the application and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Pay close attention to the Explorer window, which lists all objects in your game, and the Properties window, where you can modify their attributes. Practice navigating the three-dimensional environment using your mouse and keyboard to move around your workspace effectively. Next, let's dive into the essential building tools. You can create basic shapes like blocks, spheres, and cylinders using the Part tool found in the Home tab. Master the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools to precisely position, resize, and orient your objects. For more complex constructions, remember to group multiple objects together, which helps keep your workspace organized and makes managing your creations much easier. This foundational knowledge is key to bringing your ideas to life. Now, let's explore the exciting world of scripting. Open the script editor by inserting a new script into an object. Here, you'll write Lua code to add interactivity to your game. Learn about variables to store information, functions to perform actions, and events to respond to player input or game changes. It's crucial to test your scripts frequently in play mode to identify and fix any bugs, ensuring your game behaves exactly as you intend. This iterative process is vital for successful development. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Before publishing, configure your game settings, including permissions for who can play and any monetization options you wish to enable. Once everything is set, publish your game directly to the Roblox platform, making it accessible to millions of players. Remember, the journey doesn't end there. Continuously update and improve your game based on valuable player feedback to keep your community engaged and growing. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.